Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can start a virtual meeting or video conference on Doodle in 2026. So let us dive into this. So start by navigating to Doodle, log into your account, and here in the dashboard, select the type of event you would like to start, like a one-on-one with your students or with a contact of yours, or a poll or an event, and so on and so forth. I will go with this one here, right? So what you want to do is create the given event, give it a title here, for example, describe it below. You may choose a location if you like here, and here to the right, guys, choose the video conferencing platform. So you need to have an account on one of these platforms or applications, of course. So let's go with Google Meet for the sake of this tutorial. So navigate to Google Meet, and what you want to do, guys, is click into new meeting here. Then what you want to do is start an instant meeting or schedule one for later. In this case here, Google Meet will create an invitation link to the meeting and the video conference here, so that your participants may join it once we have shared that link with them. However, guys, before we do that, finish completing or setting up your event here. So you may schedule the session here, right? Choose a day, a start time, a duration, and so on and so forth. You may also connect it with or add it to your calendar, for example. If your account here on Doodle is connected to Google Calendar, you may, for example, send these invitations to your participants from the given Google Calendar email address, so that they may either accept or decline the invitation. Click into create and share here, and that is going to create the given event. As you can see now, you can share it by clicking into this button here and share it via WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or your website, or click into that copy link button to send that invitation to your participants, for example. And then once the given user has accepted the invitation and the event is about to start, make sure that you use that link here I just showed you on Google Meet, for example, to share that link with them, right? So that they may enter your meeting here or video call on Google Meet. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.